Hi, this is Amy on my Crochet Jewel channel, and I wanted to give everyone some tips on how to find a pattern that you're looking for as quick as possible on my channel. If you type in Crochet Jewel, if there's something you're looking for, type in how to crochet slippers. But make sure you type in Crochet Jewel if you're looking for something on my channel, and it will take you there. All of the videos will show up on my channel, but you have to type in Crochet Jewel. That's one way. Also, when you type in Crochet Jewel and click on it, it will take you to my channel here and click on the photo. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I'm going to show you how to navigate my playlist that will help you find what you're looking for as fast as possible. So make sure you are subscribed, hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a video. My focus right now is on crochet videos and some giveaways. So all playlists, created playlist. And these are all of my playlists. I just updated all of them. So if there's something that you're looking for, scroll through here and find the category that you're looking for. So if it's crochet hats, click on that and then it will take you to all of my hats and you can sort them with like the newest, latest video added. And also if you come here to Pinterest. It's all of my Pinterest pins. Then my Facebook page if you haven't joined that because I upload daily. And then my Instagram if you want to add yourself. And you can tag me with any of your work you've done with any of my patterns, which people like to do that. I love seeing that. And then my Etsy store, which has some paid for patterns and printables. So also, if you go to my blog. You can, if this is your first time on my blog, it's called amyscrochetpatterns.com. You can click on my patterns, which all of these, most of them are free and have videos. And if you click on, say, Afghans, it will take you here. And if you click on the photo, it will take you to the actual pattern with the video. Most of my patterns do have videos. And like I said, majority of them are free. I'm up to almost 800 patterns that I've done over about 10 to 11 years now, and I've been on YouTube for probably 8 years now, off and on, and lately I've been doing more. And I will have all of the links for these playlists listed below in the description, and so you can click on them for each category, and then it will take you there. Also, you can, like I said, an easy way to do is just type in my name, click on it, and then it will take you if you click on playlist right here. And if you might have to go into created playlists. I'm not sure if you have to do that. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful and helpful. And make sure that you click on that notification bell so you're alerted every single time. So if there's a video you're looking for, and these are all my categories for my social media if you haven't joined those. Okay, so thank you for watching and please subscribe.